It is the eve of a new dawn in the Bomachoge Church constituency. One that will definitely define the course of future generations. Bad leadership and corruption have for far too long robbed and mortgaged the future of our people while silencing the voice of democracy. I, Job Nyange Nyomanga, am offering myself for Member of Parliament in the Bomachoge Church constituency in an ODM ticket to lead our people in claiming the promise of full potential through hard work, honesty, fairness, and giving power to the people as outlined in my manifesto. Now, ladies and gentlemen, come with a friend to show solidarity with me as we write what history in 2017. It is a shining hope for the people of Bomachoge Church constituency and the people of the Great Republic of Kenya. Retire your kid, Bomachoge Church. You are all welcome.